Welcome back to Faye Smith Beauty. Halloween is right around the corner, and at Faye Smith Agency, believe it or not, Halloween makeup is our most booked service, as well as bridal makeup, which is kind of funny, the contrast. So anyway, Alice, one of our master stylists here in Vancouver, is seriously one of the best Halloween makeup artists you will ever find. She is always absolutely jammed during Halloween. We service Vancouver, the nearby areas, as well as Toronto. We have amazing teams, and today in this video, Chester and I are gonna let Alice do my makeup. She's gonna do a spider glam modern Halloween makeup that I think you guys are gonna love. Check out this talent. So this is Alice. Alice is my helping hand in life. I couldn't live without her. She does everything, coordination, makeup, lashes, brows, everything. Check out what she's gonna do for me today. I can't wait for you to see.
So right now I'm just smoking out the eye because basically the eye is going to be kind of like the body of the spider, so we need it to be really dark. Obviously we're working from what Faye already has on her face, so it makes my life a little bit easier.
Yay. Which eyeshadow palette are you using?
I'm using the Makeup by Mario, and this is the Master Mattes, the neutrals.
Nice.
The cool tone palette.
Yeah, those eyeshadows are so pigmented.
They've become a staple, I feel like, in most makeup artists' kits.
I think I'm going to pick those ones up for next year.
Right now I'm going to use one of the Tanessa Merrick's Color Fix Matte pigments in black to make it even just a bit darker.
Nice. Do you like doing Halloween makeup?
I love doing Halloween makeup. At the beginning of my career, I wasn't sure if I wanted to go into film with special effects or not. I ended up in the wedding industry, which I absolutely love. But it's still fun to be able to get creative once a year.
Absolutely.
Alrighty, I'm happy with how that smoky eye is looking. We're gonna start with the little legs of the spider.
That's fun.
First, I'm gonna start with a brow pencil just to trace the legs. Once I'm happy with just the direction of my legs,
Chester,
I'm gonna go then with the same pigment by Tanessa Merrick's and start actually tracing the legs.
Nice.
Alright, now to give it a bit more dimension, I'm gonna grab a very thin brush with just a bit of brown, a light brown shadow, and create some shadows.
Cool. You'd be amazed how, like, it's not easy to make a spider actually look like a spider.
No. Or make it look 3D.
Or make it look 3D, yeah.
We're gonna add some highlights.
So is this just like white paint or?
Yeah, I'm using a NYX or NYX liquid liner in white.
Oh.
That looks cool.
Right now I'm just darkening up your brows. I feel like with a Halloween look, you can go a little extra. Or you need to go a little extra.
You do. Definitely a time to impress.
For the brows, I'm using another Merck's product.
Oh yeah.
It's the Groundwork Defining Neutrals palette. It has a mix of cream and powder, so I find it great for finding the perfect shade for your client's brows. Now, on the other eye, I'm just gonna do a bit of a spider web. Of course, she needs to live somewhere.
Mm-hmm.
I'm just gonna go.
Eye open or closed?
You can, yeah, close. I'm gonna go off what Faye already has. Like, make a wing.
I like it.
Chester, hello.
Using that brown shadow, I'm just creating, again, a little bit of shadow, a little bit of detail, just to make it a bit more dimensional. And again, some white eyeliner, just to give it a bit of highlights here and there. And we're just gonna smoke out the bottom. And now we're just darkening up the lips, making them a bit more Halloween-y, more vampy. If you ever want to make your lip even a bit more Halloween-y, you can always add a touch of black shadow in the corners. Create a bit of a gradient look.
So this is the finished look that Alice just created for me. It is so amazing, this spider glam. If you're in Vancouver, definitely make sure to book with Alice or one of our other amazing talented makeup artists who are so good at face painting of all kinds, special effects, prosthetics. Hit us up. Our team in Toronto is amazing as well. If you want to see some more designs, leave us comments down here. What Halloween makeup designs do you want to see Alice creating next? Thanks so much for watching, you guys. Don't forget to leave us comments, like, share this video, subscribe, and you can follow me on Faye Smith Beauty, and Alice's Instagram is Artistry by Alice.
That's correct.
Right? Happy Halloween!